Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to auto-aim on Call of Duty Mobile. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To auto-aim on Call of Duty Mobile, first, open your Call of Duty mobile game and log into your account. Once you're inside this main homepage, tap on the gear icon located at the top right hand corner. Now, select the basic option from the left hand side menu. Now you'll be able to see the aim assist button. Tap on the on button in order to toggle on aim assist on Call of Duty Mobile. Once you enable this option, you can now go back and start a game. Now, once the aim assist is toggled on, it'll help you aim your enemy automatically. Once you press the bullet button, you can now easily target the enemy automatically when they are within the range of crosshair. That is how you can easily use the auto aim for your Call of Duty mobile game. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up if it was. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Keep watching for more.